am Colleen Little, Special Ed Department Chair at Hoffman Estates High School. This is a special episode of Jay Styles Cooking with the Hawks with one of our very talented students.
What's up? It's your boy, Jay Styles. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with the Hawks. And just like the boss lady said, we've got a real special one for you. She is in my PE class with me. I love her. Her name is Summer. Let's meet her. Come on, y'all.
Hello, Hawks. Today I'm cooking with Jay Styles. I'm a cooking girl in the kitchen, and my name is Summer.
Let's go, Summer.
Today I'm making one of my favorites, chicken egg salad sandwich. I have chicken, I have eggs, I have pickles with juice, bread, mustard and mayonnaise. Okay, I'm gonna cut up the chicken here. Then I'm gonna pour it in here. Here's my eggs. Now I'm gonna pick this one up. The hard-boiled eggs and the chicken. Pour in the pickles. Pour in the juice. It's pickle juice. I already got out. Okay, add some pepper to it. And then mix that together. Now I'm starting the mayo. I'm gonna stir the mayo in before I put in the mustard. Put this around and she can do a bit it out. And then after that, you get your bread, put it on your sandwich. Spread it, then get every bite of chicken and egg and pickles. And you put on the top on, put on the side too. And then now you can cook your sandwich now. This is now the sandwich and side salad.
Summer, you know what time it is. It's taste time. Yeah.
Try this
All right,
now.
Summer, go take a bite and let me know what you think. Good, huh?
That's really good.
Looks really good, Summer. Okay. Hey, you think you got something for me? You got something for me? I'm coming over. I'm going to Summer's house. Hey.
All right, it's lunchtime at school, and I'm going to get something special. All right, I'm at Summer's house where I'm going to pick up a little taste time treat, y'all. Yeah.
Summer, what you got for me, Summer?
Got this new for you to try.
Oh, Summer, can I eat this right now?
If you want to.
I won't hold this. You hold this. So excited, Summer. You hooked it up. Oh, man. I'm going to take my mask off, back up a little bit, and try this. Summer, this was really good. I got extra in there.
This is the salad part too.
Summer, you're a pretty good cook. Pretty good. I love it. Thank you, Summer.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Summer Mom.
You're welcome.
Cooking with the Hawk. Yeah. Say bye.
Bye.
How awesome is Summer? One of my favorite students of all time. Hey, I want to thank you guys for watching all the Cooking with the Hawk shows, episode 1 through whatever this one is. I love you. Look out for the finale. Jay Styles out.